Looking for the best platforms that can replace bookkeepers for small teams? You're probably tired of shelling out money for an expensive bookkeeper that doesn't even bring in that much value. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how small businesses, startups, and even solopreneurs can cut costs by using tech tools that handle bookkeeping with minimal effort. No more monthly headaches from balancing books or worrying about tax season, just pure, automated solutions. But before we dive in, I want to make one thing clear. Unlike other videos out there, I'm not here to push any affiliate links. I'm just giving you the straight facts from years of experience with these tools. I've seen what works, and I'll be upfront about it. So, why should you stick around for the full video? Well, I'm going to talk about a game-changing solution for your business, something that can save you thousands in bookkeeping fees, and you don't want to miss the software that could be your all-in-one solution. Let's jump in. First up, QuickBooks Online. You've probably heard of it, but what makes it so effective for small teams? For one, it's all about automation. From automatic expense categorization to integrating with your bank accounts and even creating invoices, QuickBooks makes tracking your finances incredibly easy. It's designed for non-accountants, so you don't need a finance degree to navigate it, which is a huge win for small teams without dedicated bookkeepers. But what sets it apart is the ability to scale. As your business grows, QuickBooks can handle more complex needs like managing multiple users, payroll, and even tax filing. It's like having an in-house bookkeeper without the payroll costs. Plus, their mobile app lets you manage your finances on the go, which is crucial if you're a small team with limited resources. Now, let's talk about Xero. This one's my personal favorite, and for good reason. Xero is perfect for teams that need to keep things simple, but still want the full picture. Unlike QuickBooks, Xero's interface is super clean and minimal, but still packed with power. It integrates well with over 800 third-party apps, which means you're not stuck in a silo. If you're using other tools to manage your business, Xero likely has an integration for it. What's really impressive about Xero is the collaborative aspect. You can invite your accountant or team members to access the platform, and everyone can work on the same set of books in real time. This is especially handy for small teams where collaboration is key, but you don't want to rely on a full-time bookkeeper to coordinate everything. Next, I want to mention FreshBooks. While it's often thought of as an invoicing tool, FreshBooks has expanded significantly over the years to include a range of bookkeeping features. If you're a freelancer, small service-based business, or even a consultancy, FreshBooks can be a great replacement for a bookkeeper. The auto-categorization of transactions is impressive, and the tax features are designed to make your life easier come tax season. One feature I love about FreshBooks is its time-tracking capabilities. If you charge clients hourly or need to keep track of billable hours, FreshBooks makes it seamless to track time, create invoices, and generate reports all in one place. Finally, we have Wave. Wave is one of the most cost-effective tools out there, and when I say cost-effective, I mean free. It offers a range of accounting and invoicing features that are perfect for small teams with tight budgets. It doesn't have the depth of features that QuickBooks or Xero offers, but if you're just looking for a tool to handle basic bookkeeping tasks, Wave might be all you need. It's especially good for startups or side projects that need to keep things lean. The one thing to keep in mind is that if your business starts to grow and needs more advanced features like payroll or tax filing, you might need to upgrade to something like QuickBooks or Xero down the line. Now, here's something that might surprise you. The right platform for you isn't just about choosing the most feature-packed one. It's about finding the one that fits your workflow, and the one that feels intuitive for you and your team. And here's where most businesses get it wrong. They assume that the most expensive option is always the best, when in reality, simplicity often wins the day. That's why I recommend trying a few of these platforms and seeing which one feels most natural for your team. Whether it's QuickBooks for its scalability, Xero for its clean interface, FreshBooks for freelancers, or Wave for budget-conscious teams, you'll find that the right tool can take a massive weight off your shoulders. If this video helped you make a decision or provided some real value, don't forget to subscribe to support content that's genuinely informative, without any affiliate commissions clouding the recommendations. I'll be back soon with more tips, so stay tuned.